Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to draw a photo on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So you just easily draw anything. So at first need to enable on settings, open your settings, click on Galaxy Eye and press on to photo assist. Make sure to turn on and turn on this option. Okay, then you can enjoy this feature. So open your gallery. Okay, draw anything, click on to pen option, press on and showing it to sketch to image. Click on like I'm draw anything. Okay, press on generate and you need to just wait a few seconds and look here showing it to result. Or if you want to get more result, press on done, and that's it.